Today, we're uncovering a simple yet incredibly beneficial morning ritual that can set the tone for your entire day: lemon water. You may have heard about it or even tried it, but do you really know all the benefits that come with this easy-to-make drink? Lemon water is more than just a refreshing drink. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top science-backed benefits of drinking lemon water every morning. From boosting your hydration to improving digestion and supporting your immune system, there's a lot more going on in that glass than you might think. Let's start with the basics. Hydration. After a long night of rest, your body wakes up naturally dehydrated. Most of us don't drink water for 6 to 8 hours while we sleep, and this can leave us feeling sluggish in the morning. A glass of warm lemon water can be the perfect way to rehydrate. Lemons are rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium electrolytes that help regulate your body's water balance and nerve function. Starting your day with lemon water helps replenish these important minerals, giving your cells what they need to function properly right from the get-go. Unlike coffee, which can actually dehydrate you, lemon water sets you up with the hydration your body craves, helping to wake you up in a much gentler way. Now let's talk about vitamin C, one of the most well-known antioxidants. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, and just one lemon can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended intake. But why is this important first thing in the morning? Well, vitamin C supports your immune system by neutralizing harmful free radicals in your body. It also plays a key role in collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, wound healing, and strong connective tissues. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning ensures that you're starting your day by giving your immune system the tools it needs to fight off infections and stay strong. One of the most overlooked benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning is its impact on your digestive system. Warm lemon water helps stimulate the production of digestive juices, including bile, which is essential for breaking down food. If you struggle with bloating or indigestion, starting your day with lemon water can help jumpstart your digestive system and improve your metabolism for the rest of the day. Lemon water also acts as a gentle detox for your liver. Throughout the night, your liver works hard to detoxify your body. Lemon water can enhance this natural process by encouraging the liver to flush out toxins more effectively. Additionally, the citric acid found in lemons improves enzyme function, which further aids digestion and helps to prevent kidney stones by dissolving calcium deposits. Who doesn't want clear, glowing skin? The combination of hydration and vitamin C can work wonders for your complexion. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, such as UV rays and pollution. It also promotes collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and slows down the aging process. Lemon water can help flush out toxins that contribute to acne and other skin problems. So if you're looking for a natural, simple way to improve your skin health, lemon water is a great place to start. Although lemons are acidic, once they are metabolized by the body, they actually have an alkalizing effect. Many of the foods we eat today, especially processed foods, are highly acidic, and an imbalanced pH can lead to inflammation and various health issues. Lemon water can help restore your body's pH balance, reducing the risk of inflammation and its related conditions, such as joint pain and heart disease. Drinking lemon water regularly may also help reduce levels of uric acid in the body, a compound that can lead to gout and other forms of arthritis. To sum it all up, drinking lemon water in the morning can do wonders for your body, helping with hydration, digestion, skin health, and even your immune system. It's a simple, affordable, and natural way to support your overall well-being. So, why not make this your new morning ritual? Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. And as always, let us know in the comments if you've tried lemon water and what benefits you've experienced.